Hello again. This is part of the feeling series. This part is how to use your increase of the capacity to feel by taking different iris constitutions into your own chest. These four different types of irises are the jewel type, the flower, the stream, and the shaker. These four are the four primary instruments that regulate the four seasons of the year. These are four different parts of you and me and everyone else. They have to do with these two in the middle being polar opposites, but one being primarily the function and the utilization of one's individuality, the essential nature of one's own existence, as it is expressed through the ability to learn, to grow, to decide, to inquire, to discover, and eventually to love truth. The opposite to that is the emotional, sensitive, reactive, spatial perception. This one goes very broad. Oop, went right off the screen on that one. Very broad. This one is down into the focused. I love this one, by the way. Of course I would. To dive down inside the molecular nature of the DNA and to look at an individual epigenetic crystal and, oops, I need to feel it to circulate it. This one has to do with the body. It's body aware, grounded, postural is your sense of touch. You could say it's gravity, but it's really more than that. Gravity is one of its experiences. But that which changes gravity is, well, sometimes they call it dark matter or something more. Something is elevating the process. This elevation is the continuous increase of change. Four different types. Now, I use the symbol of the rose in the background to help you remember to put all four of them inside your lake and move around between them. Because part of this is that you want to be able to use your increasing feelings to actually become more aware of these individual parts of you. I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're not a jewel. You're not a flower. You're not a stream or a shaker. Sorry. You're none of them. These are your instruments to discover more of your actual true self. You're all of them combined. In duality, we have a tendency to use one at a time. And then we have a tendency for relationships with those of the opposite. Whew, you know what that's like. Chemistry and attraction and passion, and that goes. Wait, am I the only one that's gone through that? I don't think so. This is a reminder. Feel these four, but don't be specifically attached to them. Eventually, yes, we'll combine another exercise and go through you feeling your constitution first, and then the others. Start with this for now. Just take these four and then relate those to the different times of the day. See if you can feel for yourself what times of the day are these most active? What season of the year? What stage of life? Self, others, and all. Lots to consider in this little diagram. Consider it with the feeling principles of your own heart. Self, others, all. Four types. Good luck with that one.